Hi darlings, welcome to my channel. I hope all is well with you guys. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this simple top knot hairstyle. It takes 5 minutes or less. Honestly, today took me a little bit longer because I was trying to record it and I had a whole bunch of planes flying overhead. But most days it's 3 minutes and I'm out the door, honey. I don't want to talk too much, but I just want to remind you guys, if you aren't already subscribed, there goes a plane now. I'll wait. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please do so now and remember to click the notification bell so you're alerted every time I post new content. All right, so let's get into it. So I'm going to be working with a 1.5-week old flat iron here. As you can see, it's very frizzy, it's gotten big. It's not much I can do with it right now, so I think a top knot would be perfect because it's simple and quick. So the tools you'll need for this hairstyle: some bobby pins, a brush or a comb to comb through your hair, a smoothing brush, and edge control, beeswax, or gel, whichever one you prefer. Like I said, this is gonna be really quick. I'm probably gonna take longer because I'm recording it, but this is legit like a 5-minute hairstyle. So I'm just gonna start off, oh, and a scrunchie. You will also need a scrunchie. Of course, duh. So you're gonna start off with just brushing or combing, whichever you decide to use. I like using this paddle brush. So you're just going to try to place all the hair atop your head. And I like mine right on top. So then I loosely tie the scrunchie right there, and I do like this. That's it, simple. So I take the smoothing brush and I just try to smooth all those flyaways in as much as I can. Now, depending on the day and how I'm feeling, if my hair is freshly flat ironed, I would not put beeswax in it because it's just too heavy, right? Today I'm going to try some Hicks edge control because it's like my go-to edge control. And I'm just gonna take some, rub it in my hand here, like that, and then smooth it over the back. Put as much as you'll need. My hair is already dirty and I'm gonna wash it pretty soon, so I don't mind. But that's really all I need. That wasn't even that much. Then I take the smoothing brush and I smooth it over again. There's another plane. They're really just ridiculous. Anyway, and that's why I usually film at night, so that you guys can't hear all the planes flying by. So once you have that smooth, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is why I like this hairstyle. You're going to take your scrunchie, take it out. Oh my gosh, these planes. I'm so sorry, but I'm not re-recording this. And just tie your scrunchie as tight as you like. I can't even think of so many planes. Scrunchie. All right, so then you have it like this, right? So now that I have the ponytail secured, I'm going to make the knot. I'll just wait for the plane to finish. Anyway, now I'm going to take the ends of the hair. I'm going to put one hand at the base of the ponytail, the other at the ends, and I'm just going to twirl it around a little bit like this. Bring the ends down, wrap it around and pull it through, just like if you're tying a knot, you know? So there we have it, the knot, and that looks ugly, right? So we don't leave it like that. So what I like to do is take the top, I twist it around a little bit, and then I fan the top out. So before you finish fanning, you want to secure the bottom. So I just take a bobby pin, stick that in right there, and then fan it out the way that I like it. And there you have it. That's gonna be your top knot. So you can make this fan as big as you'd like, as small as you'd like. I think this size is perfect for today. Gonna go in on the other side, and it doesn't have to be perfect, guys. It doesn't have to be neat or anything like that. It's all about your preference. And I like it standing up a little bit like a fan. So now that we have that done, any stray hairs or anything, just stick and tuck and hide it, whatever, it doesn't matter. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. So some days I go for baby hair, some days I don't. It just depends on where I'm going and how I'm feeling. Today I'm feeling some baby hair, honey. Okay, so I am going to take some edge control on my finger, take some hair out. I'm not going for extreme baby hair, so whatever comes out with this toothbrush, that's what comes out. Don't judge that the toothbrush is brown. That's just from the beeswax. And I'm going to put that edge control right here. Sometimes I may have taken out too much for that day. I just play around. This part is really all about preference, guys. You might think I do too much baby hair, too little, you know? That's just what I like. I still like it to look somewhat natural, like if legit I'm just laying down the fine hairs, which if you pay attention to it is really just the short hair. Like that is basically non-existent, but that's what I want to lay down. And like I said, this style is 5 minutes. I think it took me longer because I was trying to film and then the airplanes and, you know, I would stop. I have some hair here. Don't forget about your sideburns if you have sideburns like me. I just brushed them down. I think I'm satisfied with this one side. It's not too much, it's not too out there. It's what I consider subtle baby hair. Now I'm just gonna go in on the other side. And the two sides are never alike, and I'm okay with that. So guys, so this is the finished hairstyle. I'm going to change my clothes really quickly and be right back. And I'm back, and now you can see how the whole look came together. So that is how you achieve a simple top knot. As you can see, it didn't take any time at all. It took longer because of the planes, and I was trying to record it for you guys, but I promise 5 minutes and under, you can do this. You don't always need an extravagant hairstyle to really make a statement. One more time for the people in the back. You don't always need an extravagant hairstyle to really make a statement. Okay. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. I hope it helped some of you, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye! You there, make sure you watch this video if you haven't already seen it.